Hello, students, and welcome to the FOSS. That is the Foundations of Success class. I'm your instructor, Professor Moore. Well, welcome to week 10. Wow, can you believe it? We only have one more week to go. Well, this week is going to be, as I had discussed with you all who did complete your week 8 student success plan, and I did your week 9 email student teacher contact, that this week you will actually be completing a PowerPoint presentation, as well as you will be submitting your final success plan. Now, I want to make you aware that when you do your PowerPoint, a PowerPoint is not please make sure you do not copy and paste information from your student success plan onto the PowerPoint. You need to make sure that whenever you do a PowerPoint, it's condensed information. So you're only doing like bullet point, or you're doing a quick summary of what you have shared or what you have discussed. So I shouldn't see like paragraphs of information on the PowerPoint. So please make sure that you do each section of your student success plan, but that you also make sure you are doing a quick summary. So do not give me, for each section that you do, I should not see a whole lot of writing on the PowerPoint, but a quick summary of what you discussed in the PowerPoint, in the student success plan. Now, please be advised that I have put in, if you've never created a PowerPoint, I have put instructions in the assignment on how to create and do a PowerPoint. So please make sure you read the instructions, okay? Also, please make sure that you are paying attention, because on that student success presentation, I'm giving some major extra credit points for those of you all who will choose to do the PowerPoint, and with the PowerPoint, you embed your voice. So for those of you all who do that, then you will get major extra credit points. We're talking almost like, it's going to be major points that you're going to get. And I also have included the instructions on how to actually do a PowerPoint with embedded voice, with your voice embedded within the PowerPoint. So please make sure you do read those instructions as well if you choose to do the extra credit. Also, you will be submitting your student success plan error-free. That means with no errors. I strongly want to encourage you to make sure that you do spell check, grammar check, but also please be aware that even though you do spell check, grammar check, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be 100% correct. So you have to go back and read, what you've written. Something, and I was sharing this with a few students, something that I have to do whenever I write a paper is, after I get through writing the paper, I will take like maybe a 15 to 25 minute break. And then I will go back and reread what I wrote. Because what happens when you reread what you wrote right after you typed it up, what will happen is you will read it the way you believe you wrote it, and you won't catch the errors. So that's actually what I do, and I think that really helps. As I had spoken with you all at the very beginning of the term, there are certain words like which or there, where you have different variations of that word, because depending upon the context, you would actually use that particular word spelled differently, but it still sounds the same. And so sometimes spell check won't pick up on that. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. It just really depends. So you want to be mindful about that. Make sure that your student success plan final that you hand in is error-free, because I will be taking points off if I do find any grammar or spelling errors, because that's part of your responsibility for this particular assignment. Okay, please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I hope you all much success on completing your assignment. As I said earlier, please make sure you guys read the instructions. Reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns about the instructions, and I hope you guys have a great week.